Hey there, it's Nate from Detect Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you our chat system, the different features it has, and how to set it up. You can access our chat system by clicking on this blue chat circle in our web app. This will open up our chat side panel. Alternatively, you can use it within our extension on any other website. You can open up our extension and then click on the messages icon to see the chat. Within the chat, you'll see that there are direct messages where you can communicate with a specific person in your shop. There are also repair order channels that are automatically created with our integrated shop management softwares. And then these channels let you have a dedicated communication for that particular repair order. And then when the repair order is closed, the channels will be archived for your convenience. And then there are also general channels which you can use to communicate throughout your shop in either a general manner or with a private channel. To set up the chat, you can go to our settings here and then click on the chat system. This will bring you through a 3-step setup process where you can invite everyone and ensure your whole team has access to the chat system. We also support notifications, and these can be configured by clicking on the user avatar in the top right, clicking on notifications, and then you can configure what notifications you want to receive, if you want to receive email notifications for anything, and then also test to make sure you are receiving the notifications. I hope you guys like the chat system, and please let us know if you need any help getting it set up.